What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. Guys, I just got news that we got a brand new SLX reel. This guy right here is the 70 MGL, and I say MGL because they don't label it MGL. It does have an upgraded MGL3 spool, which I think is really cool. You see MGL3 spool in Bantam, you see it in the new Corrado M, and you see it, I believe, in Metanium. So what's the deal, guys? Why'd they skip over the Corrado 70 MGL here and go straight to SLX? We're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about the spools, weigh them, talk about technology, and it's going to be super dope. So stay tuned here. Before we get into it, guys, check out Scales and Tails magazine. We got them in stock right now, $30. If you add some tackle in there, it's going to ship free. All orders over $50 are going to ship free, including rods. If you are international, please email me, lakepro@pondking.com. We can set you up. We've shipped to Italy, we shipped to Australia, we shipped to Canada, we've shipped to so many different places throughout the world. So if you are interested in supporting us by ordering, or we've just got some cool exclusive tackle that you can't find anywhere else, hint, hint, definitely reach out to me and we can set you up with some cool tackle, guys. But here, we're going to be talking about each of these reels individually real quick, talk about the technology that some have and some don't, and then we're going to weigh these spools here. And, of course, in another video, we're going to be talking about, do the spools even matter that much? These are all 70 size reels. Both of these two here, older model reels, have MGL2 spool. This guy has MGL3 spool. So we're going to go ahead, talk about some of the cool technology starting off. Biggest thing. SLX isn't the cheapest reel they have. They have some other reels below this one. However, at this price point, starting at $99, $100, base SLX, not a bad reel at all. Lifespan, not the best, but gets the job done. You can tune it with the tension knob and the outside dial. However, when you get into the $150 price range, you're going to get the external dial. You're going to get the SBS braking on the spool, and you're also going to have the tension knob. So it gives you 3 different modes of braking to adjust and play with. Now, this reel, comparing to the Corrado, biggest thing that the Corrado has that these don't are going to be the micro module gears. Now, the micro module gearing talks more about the gears meshing than anything else, right? So, of course, your main drive gear going to your pinion gear to your spool is going to be a much finer meshing of it. So the micro module gearing in the Corrado allows the reel to stay extremely smooth throughout the entirety of its life. I have several of these 70 MGLs. They are extremely smooth. I keep pretty good care of them. You know, I'll go a couple months without greasing them or oiling the bearings, and they stay extremely smooth throughout the entirety of their life, which is super awesome. Now, like I was saying as well, some of the technology in the Corrado also stems from your Bantams and Metaniums. X-Ship is a big one, and that's going to brace the spool on each side with more bearings. So overall, your more expensive reels, in most cases, are going to have more bearings supporting, whether it's the main drive shaft, whether it's the spool, whether it's your gearing up top here on your line guide. CI4 plus material, this reel is going to be a little bit lighter than this SLX here, and you can definitely feel it. It might be only 0.2 ounces, 7.1 compared to 6.9, but you can tell a huge difference when you're holding them, guys, and that's what we preach here. Come in the store, come feel the reels. We're gonna set them up on a rod for you. If you want to test cast them, let's do it. Absolutely, it's like driving a car, right? You want to make sure you get it right. Don't drive out of the lot with a piece of junk. Now, some cool pieces of technology as well. The main things are gonna be the main pieces of technology in the body on the Corrado, allowing it to stay extremely smooth. Now, again, back to the SLX here that just came out, SLX 70. I don't know why they didn't tag it 70 SLX 70 MGLA. Must have been too many letters or numbers in there for them, I guess. They don't want to make it too complicated, but I'll tell you what, the spool is a lot harder to get out than the other ones. So this guy right here, I have weighed them off camera, and the results may surprise you. Every single reel in front of me, the spools weigh 14 gram. While that may not seem like a big statistic, guys, you're basically paying well, actually the same price. They both weigh 14 gram. However, of course, it's an MGL3 spool, so we're not going to know exactly what the capabilities are until we get it on the water, and I'm excited to do that. Now, the SVS braking right here, very excited about that. It's a 4-pinion. I think the Corrado 150 has a 6-pinion, and I do believe the M's have a 6-pinion. This one, Corrado, still has a 4. So I'm excited to test these out for you. Definitely going to be throwing a bunch of different lures on there. Going to be testing different tension braking settings. We're going to be testing external dial settings here as well. And overall, guys, $149 for the original one here, and these are probably going to go on sale as well once we can get that all confirmed up. $149, same exact price on new SLX. $249, $100 more for the more durable Corrado series. But will they cast any different? We'll find out in the next video, guys. Again, Scales and Tails, got these in stock. Really excited about these, as well as working on some cool stuff for y'all as well. So, but guys, I will see you in the next video where we're testing this MGL3 spool to the max. Looking forward to it. We'll see you there. Thanks for watching. See you guys.